Hello and welcome. Welcome to English School. Hello, I'm Ben. Hello, I'm Grace. Hello, I'm Tom. Hello, I am Jennifer. Hello, I am Jason. Hello, I'm Lightning McQueen. I am Speed. Hello, what's your name? Hello, my name's Lucy. Hello, I'm John. What's your name? Hello, I am Robert. Hello, this is Susie speaking. Nick, this is Kathy. Kathy, this is Nick. Hi, Kathy. Hello, Nick. Good day. My name's Robert Smith. Good day. My name's Anna Schmidt. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Formal introductions. Hello, I'm Nancy Waters. Hi, my name is Ruby Johnson. Nice to meet you. And you. How do you do? My name is Joseph Christensen. How do you do? My name is Edward Stark. Pleased to meet you. Likewise. Informal conversations. Hello, Sia. How are you today? Hi, Raj. I'm doing fine, and you? Oh, I'm pretty good, and the weather is nice today. Hello, Mandy. How is it going? Meet my girlfriend. This is Emma. Hi, Tom. Wow. Nice to meet you, Emma. Hello, Mandy. Same here. I've heard so much about you. Greetings. More formal, less formal. So, greetings. How are you? How have you been? How do you do? Responses. Fine, thanks. And you? Not bad, thank you. What's up? What's happening? What's new? Nothing. Not much. How are you doing? How is it going? Pretty good. Okay. Not bad. Greetings. Formal. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How nice to see you. Hello. How are you? How do you do? How are you doing? Hi. Responses. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Yes, it's been so nice. Hello. Fine, thanks. How do you do? Not bad. Hi. Formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. How are you? Responses. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good evening. I'm fine. Thank you. Very well. Thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. When two friends meet, they say hi. They often ask a general question such as greetings and answers. How are you? How are things? How is life? How is it going? Are you okay? Answers. Fine, thanks. And you? Fine, thanks. What about yourself? Very well, thank you. Not too bad, thanks. Times during the day. good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We use good morning for greetings in a formal greeting in the morning. Good afternoon is formal greeting for afternoon. Good evening is a formal greeting for evenings. Good night is farewell. I'm going to bed. I'm sleeping. I'm leaving your house. Okay?